Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to learn about Java. We will start this course from beginner level and then we will move to the intermediate level and then to advanced level as well. For this course we will use the IntelliJ. This is the software that you can see that I am using for this course. Okay, let's get started with our very first Hello World program. First of all, we need to create a project inside IntelliJ. So so you need to download this IntelliJ as well. You can download the community version of it. And once you have downloaded this, then you need to go onto this main menu, then go to this new, and then on the project. Here you can give your project name. You can give any name over there. Then this is the location. You can select any of the location. I have select my project's location, and then the build system should be Maven. We will talk about this later, and then you need to select your JDK. So I have downloaded the JDK. You can select any of the one, like any version or vendor. Anything is fine. Once you have selected, then it will download this. Since I have already downloaded that Corretto 1.8, so I'm not changing that. Then you need to hit this create button. Once it is done, then there will be some of the code that is generated by the IDE itself. Uh, IDE generally do this so that it can help us by not creating the boilerplate code. But the main thing to notice that is that you will have this main class written there. So I have also this main class. If you don't have, then don't worry. You just need to write this code that is public class main, not this main and this file name. Both should be same. Otherwise, you will get some error. In my case, let's say I will just uh, make it as main2, then it will show that main2 is public and should be declared in a file name main2.java. So it is saying either I can rename the file or you need to rename this to match the file name. So I have already main, so I will just change back it to the main. So this file name and this one both be the same. Now you need to write public static void main string args. So this is the syntax that must be written. If you are changing something, then this will not be able to run. Then you need to write System.out.println and hello world. So hello world will be printed on the screen. Now to run this program, you need to hit this play button. So if I will hit on this play button, so I have couple of options. So you can either run debug. First, we will select this run so that the program can be executed on our machine. That is, as you can see that hello world is printed. So now let us see what is happening behind the scene. First of all, Java needs an entry point from where it can start executing your Java program. So public static void main string args. This is the main method and this is what JVM is looking. So without this method, you will not have this play button and you cannot run this Java program. So think of it like the entry gate of the door that if someone want to enter your house, it should be through your entry gate, right? So once entry gate is found, then you can process something. So here we are using this system. So system means our computer and out means output and println means print this and move on to the next line. What happens if I'm not doing this? Well, the result should be the same. Why? Because we have nothing to print on the next line. See, it is the but if you let's say if you write this and let's say hello world, and it is a sample text. Okay. Now, if you will just rerun this program, then you will see the difference. See, there is no next line after this, right? Our hello world and it is a sample text is now merged at the same line. But if you do this println, so it will move on to the next line. Well, on this second one, it doesn't even matter. But yeah, it should, like, if you have any another text after this, then it will print after this. Let's run this. So as you can see that after printing the hello world, it moves to the next line, and now your sample text is printed here. Okay. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Thanks, guys. Happy coding. Bye bye.